Well, my share your experience that when you were sent by Zeiss here to do site survey to find out the suitability of this microscope to be installed with this laboratory.
Thank you very much for the opportunity to come down here. I came down here first time 3 months ago to check out the room by doing a site survey. With that, we checked the audio, the vibration, the harmonics, the temperature, the humidity, and we decided this is the perfect room to have the SEM after a few modifications.
Very good. So I think this is one of the very top of the line model of the Zeiss microscope. So what you overall recommend to maintain so that we can optimize the function and keep working with this microscope as we intended to?
Very good question. Yes, this is the Sigma BP 300 series field emitter microscope. Very high powered microscope used for high resolution work. To maintain the quality of the imaging, we recommend using nitrogen to backfill the system so when we vent it. Also, as you can see, wearing gloves as well to handle the samples, to keep everything clean as possible and maintain the temperature and humidity into the room.
Very good. Can you show some of the block and other instrumentation for our viewers and our customers that this unit is capable of doing a very advanced imaging? Can you explain a little bit about the instrumentation?
As you can see, this is our Sigma 300. We vented the chamber. This is our samples. We have a special stage navigation camera which will move the stage underneath this camera, where it will take a photograph and display it on the monitors. We made easy access to navigating the samples on the display. Now we will pump the system down. Shall I carry on putting? That's it. We'll do the other one as well. There's another one. I'll finish it. Oh. That's finished now. I can take it out. Yeah, I'll take it out, retract it.
Well, the past 2 days you are trying to install this microscope on this location. Please share your overall experience installing this microscope on this particular location.
Okay, well, thank you very much for partnering up with Zeiss. Basically, when installing the microscopes, they are big instruments, they're heavy, they're sensitive, so it really is a matter of just playing things careful, take your time, and try and do it properly. And thank you for all the assistance you and your team has provided the past few days.
Well, I think you are very satisfied with the installation. Can you also share that how you can use this instrument in analyzing various samples?
Sure. As my colleague Mike also mentioned, this is a field emission system, scanning electron microscope. It is a very high performance instrument, yet also focused to be able to give you a real workhorse type background. So these machines can run overnight, 24/7 type of thing. They're built to be reliable, as well as give the high performance. We've got variable different detection systems on this. A lot of options as the variable pressure, which allows you to work with uncoated or unconductive samples, which is not something all instruments can do. Um, so different detection systems, electron, secondary electron detection systems, backscatter electron systems, and then also X-ray, so energy dispersive capabilities, which could give you compositional elemental information. So basically to tell you what is in the sample and how much of it, of certain elements are in the sample. So overall, a very nice, complete, functional system. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Can you also share some of the expertise which you have on the image analysis, that how you analyze some image taken through this system?
Sure. So at the moment we're looking at a chamber scope, which is a live image of the sample stuff. What we also have is the navigation system, as Mike explained, which can tell us where we are. So, for instance, at the moment we are looking at this part of a sample. This is a test sample that we have, and then we can set it over to a backscanner image. So this is the live image that we're looking at, which allows us to do different things. We can move the stage around, patient function, magnification, focus, at which point we can then do X-ray analysis. We have options of other imaging systems, so backscatter, for instance, is very good for elemental contrast, but we can look at secondary electrons, which will give you more surface information, and then follow that through with the X-ray analysis. So energy dispersive.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your expertise and your assistance. Both you and Mike has done a fantastic job to install this microscope with WTI laboratory, which is located in Florida. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.